Welcome to Cloudshot. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect your AWS account using a Cognito Identity Pool ID and assign different IAM roles to users for secure, role-based access. Log into Cloudshot. If you're already logged in, go to the Connect Your Cloud Account section. Click on Start with AWS, then select Use Cognito. Enter a name of your choice. You'll now need the Cognito Identity Pool ID. If you're wondering how to get it, don't worry. On the right, you'll find simple instructions for obtaining your Identity Pool ID. Now, head over to the AWS console. Navigate to Cognito and select Identity Pools from the left menu. Click Create Identity Pool. Select Authenticated Access. For the identity source, choose OpenID Connect, OIDC. Then click Next. Go ahead and enter your IAM role name. Then click Next to move forward. Now we'll set up the OpenID Connect provider. Click Create New Provider. Select OpenID Connect. Now head over to Cloudshot and copy the provider URL under IDP roles instructions. Return to the AWS console and paste the provider URL into the corresponding field. Next, go back to Cloudshot and copy the audience value listed under the same instructions. Then, return to the AWS console once more and paste the audience value into the audience field. When you're done, click Add Provider to complete this step. After the provider is created, go back to the Connect Identity Providers tab. Select the one you just added. Then click Next. Enter a friendly name for your identity pool and click Next to create it. Click Create Identity Pool. Once the identity pool is created, click View to open it. Now, head over to the identity provider and give it a click. Go to the Role Settings tab and click Edit. In Edit Role Settings, select Choose Role with Rules. Now let's create roles for different users. Open a new tab and go to IAM Next. Go to Roles in the left-hand menu. Click Create Role. For the trusted entity type, select Web Identity. And then in the identity provider, choose Amazon Cognito. Now, we'll need an identity pool ID. Go ahead and copy it from the identity pool we just created. Paste the identity pool ID and click Next. Now, attach the required permission policies. For the admin role, I want to give administrator access to grant full permissions. Then click Next. Give your role a name, like Admin Cloudshot Role. To keep things organized, then click Create Role. Repeat this process to create a second role. If you want to give the user only S3 full access, select Amazon's 3 full access from the list of policies. Then click Next. Give your role a name, like S3 Cloudshot User, to keep it clear and organized. Click Create Role to finish up. Go back to the Edit Role Settings screen. Now that the role has been created, let's assign it to the user's email address. In the claim field, just type email. In the value field, enter the user's email address. In the role field, just select the appropriate role for that user's email address. Click Add Another to repeat this process for other users. To give this user full access to S3 only, select the role we created, S3, Cloudshot, User. Lastly, click Save Changes to apply your updates. Now we've created different roles for different users, all under the same Cognito Pool ID. Next, copy the Identity Pool ID for use in your configuration. Now, navigate to the Cloudshot application. I've already logged in using the admin account. Go to AWS Cognito. Paste the Cognito Identity Pool ID and click Submit. Let's take a look at your AWS infrastructure. First, click on AWS Network Discovery to get started. Then, select your target region from the list. Once that's done, click Show Deployment. If you want real-time monitoring, click Yes. We've been given admin access so we can review everything and ensure it's running smoothly. Let's log out of the admin account and switch to a user account with only S3 access. Log in using the user email. This account has limited access, focusing only on S3 resources. Now, let's click on Start with AWS and choose AWS Cognito. Enter any name you'd like to use for this account. Now, let's paste the same Identity Pool ID we used for the admin account. Once both fields are filled in, click Submit. Let's view your AWS infrastructure. Click on AWS Network Discovery. Select your target region from the list. Click Show Deployment. Some resources might not be visible because we've only granted S3 access to this user. Any other resources outside of S3 won't be available for viewing. Thank you for watching.